Okay. Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine and healthy, and also you must be completing your work. So, here I am back with a new video. This is video number 4, chapter 2. And as usual, this is your assistant teacher, Hina. So, today we'll be starting our new chapter, which will be second chapter, and the name of the chapter is Our Country and Its Neighbours. Okay, so before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you all that I hope you must be completing your assignments and there must be no kind of confusions and all. So all the assignments of chapter 1, it is already given. Total 3 assignments are there. So try to complete as soon as possible. So before starting the chapter, I would like to ask you all few questions. Okay. There are very small type of questions. I hope you must be knowing, and if not knowing, then also it is not so bad. You will know the answer. So my first question is, which is the largest country in the world? Largest country. Can you imagine which is the largest country? Okay. So the right answer is your Russia. Russia is the most largest country in the world according to area wise. Its area wise, it is the largest country. Okay. So my second question it is, which is the most populated country in the world? Do you understand what is populated? Populated means number of peoples in particular country. How many number of peoples are there in one country? So do you know which is the most populated country in the world? Any idea? No, it's not India. But you know that country's name it's very used to name. Okay, let me tell you, the answer is China. Yes, the most populated country in the world is China. There are number of people present in China. Many number of people. Okay. Now, and in that country, estimation of people are 1.4 billion. Number of people there are 1.4 billion. So you can imagine so many peoples must be present in that country. Okay, moving on. My third question is, which is the second most populated country? First populated it has been China. Now I want second populated country. Again, how many numbers of people are there? But second in number. What is that? Can you imagine? Yes, correct. That is India. After China, it is India where number of peoples are large in number. Okay. So today our next chapter is regarding our country and its neighbors. So today we will be discussing about our country, India. Okay. Moving on. Okay, now moving on. I hope you must have all got the books. You must have purchased the books, as I have mentioned the date also when you are getting the books and all. So this is your SST book, Trek, Primary Social Studies and Oxford publication. Okay, class 4. So just keep your book in front of you all so that it will be easy for you all also to understand. Okay. So just open the book and chapter number 2. Okay, look at here. Chapter number 2. Our country and its neighbors. Oh, here you can see. Okay. So, here you can see map of our country. It is the map of our country, India. Here you can see. In your book also. It's visible, I hope. So today here we'll be discussing about our country and its neighbors. Neighbors, you can say in our countries, what are the states, district, which are the places in between our country and places, different types of what do they belong for, what are the traditions they are following, what kind of costumes they follow. So today we'll be discussing about this. Okay, so just first sentence you can see over here in the book. India. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. In which part it is located? To the southern part. Okay. It is the seventh largest and second most populated country in the world. So this our country, India, as I have said earlier also, it is the most populated but second in number. Most populated, mass number of people, many amount of people, many number of people are residing in our country. So it is the second number. It comes in second number. Then it is the, in area wise, it comes in seventh number according to area, distance. Okay, it is the seventh largest and second most populated country in the world. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you all. Okay, so here our first question in this chapter is, find out the name of the most populated country in the world. So as I have told you, which is the most populated country? Populated, many number of people, which it is? China. Exactly, it is China. At number 1, the most populated country, it is China. So just moving on, now we come to India, its land surface. Now in this topic we will be knowing about our country's surface. Our country surface, it is divided into how many divisions, what is the distance between each places, how many sides, what are the sides covered with water. So these are the things which we'll be discussing about our India, its surface. So just go through it. India is a vast country. Okay, India is a vast country. That means India is a very large country. From north to south, it stretches across about 3,200 kilometers, and from east to west, it stretches across 3,000 kilometers. So it means from north to south, it stretches, what is the distance? It stretches 3,200 kilometers from north to south, and from east to west, it stretches, what is the distance? 3,000 kilometers. So that only here in this line it is saying our country, this, its distance between north and south, east and west. So these are the distance which are mentioned here. Okay, it is surrounded by 3 sides of water. Our map, you can see over here our map, India map. It is surrounded by 3 sides of water. What are they? Number 1, Bay of Bengal. Number 2, Indian Ocean. Number 3, Arabian Sea. That are the 3 sides. So Bay of Bengal, it is on which side? You can say it is in east side. Yes, correct. It is at the east. So Indian Ocean, it is at the south side. Now the third, it is Arabian Sea, that is lying towards west side. So our country, India map, it is surrounded by 3 sides of water. Okay, that are Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. And at the topmost, at the north side, lies here what? Himalayas. Here lies at the top Himalayas. Okay, so here you can see it is written, to its north are the high mountain ranges. All the mountain ranges, that is called Himalayas. Here you can see in this map Some colors are also given which indicates different areas. Here brown color area, it indicates what? It indicates northern mountains. Means whatever brown color areas are there, that indicates northern mountain. Okay. Now second, it is green color. You can see green color is present this side, this side, this side also. What does it indicate? Northern plains. It indicates northern plains. Then third is your which color? Yellow color. This side. Here is your yellow color. So what does it represent? It is deserted area. Okay, Great Indian Desert. It is a deserted area. Yellow color. Then it presents here pink color. Pink color presents here plateau. Plateau is a kind of a tableland, high kind of land. Okay, that we'll discuss later. Then next it comes light green color. Yes, coastal plains. That is said as coastal plains. Light green color. These are the areas which are said to be coastal plains. These areas, whatever it is present here, they are coastal plains. Next is your islands. Islands, dweep in Hindi we say as islands. Small islands are present, such as Andaman and Nicobar Island. You can see dark blue color. Then is your Lakshadweep Island. Small patches you can see here. Lakshadweep Island. Okay. So these are the colors which indicates in our physical map, and with the help of this we can locate the places which area has northern mountains, northern plains or deserted area. Okay. So moving on, India's landscape is very varied here. It means it is having all different kind of features. Our India country is there, but it has a different culture, custom, tradition. Every part has a different things. It can be divided into 6 physical divisions. Okay, there are 6 physical divisions in our country. India. Okay. So what are they? These were the physical divisions. It was given here in different colors. Number 1, it is northern mountains, then it is northern plains, Great Indian Desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains and islands. So these are the 6 physical divisions. So this you have to particularly learn it. Okay, question may be asked, what are the 6 physical divisions of India? So you have to answer these all. Okay, now just look at, as I've shown, I have mentioned in this map what the color indicates of. Here only same thing it is written. Look at the map on this page. The brown portion in the north denotes the northern mountain as it is given here. Then that include Himalayas. The Himalayas from the northern border of India are the highest mountain range in the world. Okay, many rivers have their source in these mountains. From these mountains many kind of rivers flows to different areas, different parts of our country. Next is our northern plains. Next division, first division was our northern mountains. Okay, northern mountains. Second division, now it comes about northern plains, which lie to the south of the north mountain, south side of the north mountain. Here the land is flat and fertile. The land, it is flat and fertile, good for crop plantation. That is why many food crops are grown here. Okay, in northern plain area. Here the cultivation of crops are very good. Many different kinds of crops are grown here in northern plain. You can see this green area. Okay, this greenish area. Here different types of crops are grown. Next comes here the Great Indian Desert, which is deserted area. This is your Great Indian Desert. Okay, that is also known as Thar Desert. Okay, the Great Indian Desert is also known as Thar Desert, is the northwestern of part of India. It receives very little kind of rainfall. It is very sandy and dry. Suppose you can take the example of Rajasthan. Rajasthan, you can see they don't receive much amount of rain. Then that area is also very sandy, very dry kind of area. No different types of plants are grown there, only cactus are grown there, only sandy areas are present there. You must have seen in Rajasthan in the TV also. Then comes your last division, that is the plateau region is triangular in shape. Plateau is a kind of a tableland. It's a high level of land. Okay, we will discuss this plateau, particularly this topic, in our next chapter. It lies to the south of the North Plain and extends till Kanyakumari, the southern tip of the peninsular India. This plateau is covered under these all areas. It extends till Kanyakumari, southernmost tip of the peninsular India. Okay. So today we all discussed about our 6 physical divisions of India. So number 1, what it is? You can say northern mountains. Number 2, it is northern plains. Number 3, it is the Great Indian Desert. Number 4, it is peninsular plateau. Number 5, coastal plains. And number 6, islands. Okay, I hope this much it will be clear to you all. For today, I think this much be, so I suppose this must be much to read. So today again I am having few notes for you all that you have to copy it in your copy. So this is your notes. Okay, this you have to write in your copy. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the 2nd most populated country in the world. Okay, India is surrounded by water on 3 sides. Number 1, Bay of Bengal. Number 2, Arabian Sea. Number 3, Indian Oceans. Its sides are also written. Then next topic, it is landscape of India consist of. Okay, these are the 6 physical divisions present here. Okay, northern mountains, northern plains, Indian desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains, islands. So I hope this is visible to you all, so you can take the screenshot of this and can copy it. Okay, so for today this much only for you all. Later on, next day, we will be discussing our next topic, that is states and union territories. Okay, till then you just revise on, go through on the chapter and complete your assignments. Till then, okay, have a good day, take care of yourself. Till then, bye.